So we're here, where at, Marco?
Hey, it's Marco LunaMan, the man from the moon who lives by the sea with sand on his toes, teaching Tai Chi. I can also help you get the home to have that luxurious lifestyle, at the coastal lifestyle. Here I am at Superhero Headquarters with my buddy, Gadman, Ernie Cohen, and we're at NSDCAR, North San Diego County Association of Realtors. Here I am with Gabriel. Yeah, I know NSDCAR because I want to race, I want to go. But anyway, here I am with Gabriel. We had our weekly meeting where we meet after the caravan, and we talk about our emerging markets, and we're expanding, folks.
Yep.
We're expanding. We're going to Northern California. Show Gadman, because we're at Superhero Headquarters. And hey, that looks pretty good. Look at, he's up there taller, than...
It's all perspective.
Yeah.
I'm actually taller.
Yeah. And then, so anyway, we're expanding. We're going... Tell us a little bit about what our new project.
So I'm going up to Santa Rosa with a group of developers to fix, what happened with the fires. So we've already got a friend that we're working on his house. It was his mom's house and it burned down to the ground. So we're going to go up there in about 2 weeks or a month, and then we're going to start clearing out the lot, getting the permits to start building. So it's a huge project, and we are focusing for the apartments. We're focusing on the city of Sacramento and the area.